So I am on page 281 in my Learn book. We're going to look at the application problem. A longtime runner compiled her training um, distances in the following chart. Fill in the missing values. So here is her runner's log. We have to know what these numbers represent, guys. So in this column, we have the total number of miles run. In this column, we have the number of days that the runner ran. And in this column, we have the miles that she ran or he ran every single day. So we have to be thinking that in order to find the total number of miles run, what's happening is we are multiplying the number of days times the miles that she ran or he ran every day. So it's the number of days times miles per day equals total number of miles run. In other words, we're multiplying this column times this column to get this column. Okay, so let's think about how would I find the missing number here for number of days? If I know that this times this equals this, what operation is the opposite of multiplication? It's division. That's right. So I am going to divide the total number of miles run, 420, divided by 12 to find out the number of days. 12 goes into 42 3 times. 3 times 12 is 36. Subtract. 12 minus 6 is 6. Bring down that 0. 12 goes into 60 5 times. 5 times 12 is 60. So 35 is the number of days that he or she ran. 12 miles each day gives you 420 miles. Okay, how do you think we're going to find this value for the miles that were run each day? I have a total number of miles. I'm going to divide it by 5. So 14 and 5/10, or really 145 tenths divided by 5. 5 won't go into 1, but 5 goes into 14 2 times, and 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract, bring down that 5. 5 goes into 45 9 times. 9 times 5 is 45. Now, 145 tenths divided by 5 is 29 tenths, which is the same as 2 and 9 tenths is the miles run each day. Same here. 38 is the total number of miles run divided by the number of days, and that's going to tell you how many miles were run each day. 38 decimal 0 divided by 10. 10 won't go into 3, but 10 goes into 38 3 times. Subtract, bring down. 10 goes into 80 8 times. 8 times 10 is 80. That decimal, remember, goes straight up. 3 and 8 tenths is the distance that the runner ran each day. Here, we do something completely different. We're going to multiply the number of days times the number of miles run each day. So we are multiplying 16 and 5/10 times 17. Let's get that multiplication working again. 7 times 5 is 35. Oh, we forgot to multiply by 10. Move that decimal. 7 times 6 is 42. 43, 44, 45. 7 times 1 is 7. 8, 9, 10, 11. Zip, zap, 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 6 is 6. And 1 times 1 is 1. Add your partial products. Because we multiplied by 10 here, we're going to divide by 10 here. 280 and 5/10 miles is the total number of miles run. So that is what your chart should look like. Great job, guys.